In this show, we look at how to use humour in your next speech. Most, if not all of us, would love to use humour in a speech, since even the most mundane of speeches at work, the seminar or the conference could benefit from some humour. So, why don't we get engaged with humour in our conference speeches? A lot of the answer is probably to do with confidence. Or really, it's a lack of confidence that's the problem. Because you need plenty of confidence to use humour in your speech. Confidence in yourself and your ability to give a good performance. Since it really is a performance when you get it right. And it's no laughing matter when it all goes pear-shaped. But that's not all, because you also need good material and technique. It's always essential when you want to use humour in your speech. And can anyone write good comic material? I reckon not, since there has to be good reason why some excel at it and others are accountants. But if you follow the formulae of many of the really excellent comic writers, then you should be fine. However, you should always test your material and refine it as you go, making sure it's as slick as possible. Equally essential is your technique. Delivery, expectant pause, and the punchline. There's no getting away from it, your technique is all important. However, don't despair, because you will always pick up a sound technique with experience and practice. Plus, of course, you can observe others when you watch great comics or funny conference speakers. You can always watch someone like Steve Coogan with a hilarious acceptance speech at the 2019 Britannia Awards. Thus, you don't need to be a comic genius to use humour in your speech. Just combine the essential attributes of self-confidence, good material, and a sound technique. No joke, it'll be fine.